Get her.
She just gave a dirty look.
GoPro.
Belle? She just There's this superstition group. It popped up on my Facebook, and somebody posted a picture that said perfection, and they're the only ones with a campfire. Like, yeah, that's nice.
You're on video. Oh, that's gonna be nice for Gwenny to see when she sees her old home videos. And Grandma. Really nice, huh? Trying to make decent videos here for kids.
For kids.
And then you got the grandma.
That little motorhome is
Soak up this stuff so we can soak up the rain too. It's like, yeah, I thought. Can you smile? Smile, Grumpy. Come on, Grandpa.